I'm Josh.
And I'm Teyonna. In this two-part series, we'll be learning how to make different types of foods from around the world.
What is even more fun is that we get to pick the food. But what is even more great is that we get to give you our opinions and our reactions as the food is being made.
In this episode, we'll be learning how to make Tamina, and we have a very special guest that will be helping us.
This is Camelia, and she'll be making Tamina. Are you excited?
Yeah. I think it's time to go in the kitchen. Here, let's pass the plate.
So, what are we making today?
So today we're going to be making Tamina, which is a traditional Algerian dessert. We usually make and eat this for holidays, social gatherings, and just parties in general.
Ooh. Holidays like cooking fried turkey for Thanksgiving?
It's similar to that. So in order to make Tamina, you need a couple of ingredients, which involves roasted semolina, some butter, honey,
I love honey.
and to finish it off, a sprinkle of cinnamon.
Just a sprinkle?
Yeah, just for garnish. So to start making Tamina, you want to first turn on the gas to a low temperature.
Okay.
And then taking 1.5 sticks of butter, you want to throw it into the pan and let it melt completely. You want it to be completely liquid. So after your butter is melted, you want to add 1 part of honey into your melted butter.
I love honey.
Now, are you just eyeballing it?
I'm just eyeballing it because there is quite a bit of butter, so you just want to have half of that be honey.
Okay.
So you want to
Wow, that smells good
and
already.
then you want to whisk that in. Just keep on whisking.
Can you smell it?
It smells great.
Yeah, it smells really good.
And I can turn the heat up just a bit.
So you would say the heat's around medium right now?
I would say medium up.
Medium.
You don't want to burn the honey or the butter.
Yeah.
Now you want to add the semolina and mix it in. Mix it now.
Wow,
Wow.
that looks good. You guys should see this.
I'm gonna stop for a bit. Oh no, not me, you. I mean, not you, me. I'm gonna stop. Okay, I'm gonna add more because it's looking a bit more. Okay, now it's looking good.
Ooh.
Just fold it in.
Oh, wow.
And now you can take it off the heat.
So is that the general consistency it's given, or is it gonna form into...
The more you leave it out, it starts to harden because of the honey.
Okay.
Because you're heating up honey and you're heating up butter, so it's gonna harden a bit. Kind of similar to how you heat up sugar.
Yeah.
And sugar ends up becoming hard.
Is this best served right after, or...
It's best served right after, and even if it's a little cool, I still eat it that way.
Okay.
The texture is still really the same. So after taking off your Tamina off the gas, you want to slowly put it into a plate or a bowl. So now I just push it down and so you want to pat it down until it's really smooth. You want the top to be completely flat. And then after that, to finish it off, can you?
Of course. Or a sprinkle of cinnamon.
You want to sprinkle cinnamon in like a design. So I usually do a swirl of cinnamon. And so after sprinkling the cinnamon on, you are done. Tamina.
Wow. Shall we dig in?
Yeah, let's.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
This looks real... I
Put
want
some cinnamon on yours.
I want a good cinnamon.
It's really
piece on
grainy, so
mine.
don't be surprised.
Oh wow.
I made it right. It's grainy though. But that's how it's supposed to be.
Mmm.
That's good.
Wait, that's actually really good.
You know right away when a car is good. You really don't know until you drive it around a racetrack, especially a supercar. And the R8 really just took to it.
Now that we've made Tamina, it's time to pass the plate to the Philippines.
Thank you, Algeria.
So now that we have the plate, what are we making today?
So today we're going to be making a traditional Filipino dessert. It has evaporated milk and a bunch of ingredients that is completely optional. You can have it with just the milk and the ice. It doesn't have to be all made, but today we're going to be making it with all of it.
Nice.
But the most important part for halo halo is this little guy right here.
What is this?
It's an ice shaver machine where you just put in ice, and instead of finely, shaved ice, it's a little more coarse. So some of the ingredients that we'll be having today is macapuno.
What is it?
It's a coconut sprout. Very sweet. Everything here is super sweet, so if you have a sweet tooth, this dessert is not for you. So we have also kaong.
What do you say this is?
This is a sugar palm fruit, which is really, really sweet. It comes in different colors too, so red is, we just like a colorful, flavorful dessert.
Nice.
Then we have everyone's favorite.
Coconut jelly.
We love our coconut jellies. And then I know beans aren't for everybody, but I like beans in mine.
Me too.
These are kind of like red beans, and we have white beans. I don't really know what white beans are, but
yeah.
Hey, we do enjoy them. Now after we put all our ingredients in, we just put them right under this, our ice shaver, and fill it up with ice.
Is this enough ice?
Yeah, not too much.
Sure.
Give it a good push. Okay. The last step is to add the evaporated milk.
So did I just pour it on top?
Just pour it on top. The last step we got is ube ice cream.
Oh my god, I love ube ice cream.
Do you know, like, a lot of people compare it to this, but do you know how ube tastes like?
Ube? No.
It's kind of like taro, taro.
Yeah.
So you just take a big scoop of this and put it on top. As big as you want or as little as you want. And there you go.
Cute. That's good?
That's so cute, and that's our ube ice cream.
Whoa.
I mean, our halo halo. So, now that we have our completed product,
It looks delicious.
she's pretty, right?
Yes, beautiful.
So, there she is. So, the name halo halo, right? This is where it comes into play, its name. In English, it means mix. So, you just go in there with a spoon and mix it all up and enjoy it all.
Should we?
Okay. Do the honors of mixing?
Sure.
Mmm.
How was it?
I love corn.
Made by me.
I think they would approve in the Philippines.
Thank you, Joshua, so much for showing us how to make this Filipino dessert, halo halo. I'm gonna try it.
Wow.
I'm gonna get a coconut jelly.
Get a coconut jelly.
Okay. That's so good.
Yes! No, that's so... Thank you so much for trying our dessert.
No, thank you for showing me how to make it.
No problem. Until next time, when we
Pass the plate.